Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you want to hide your apps, you must have to open your device settings, and here just scroll down and look for home screen, and here just look for hide apps on home screen and app screen. Just tap on it. Here just select the apps which you want to hide. So I'm going to select camera, calendar, calculator, Chrome, just like that. Just tap on done. So in this way you won't find the apps which you have hidden in your home screen and app drawer, just like that. So now we're going to get those app. Just open settings, go for main settings, then go for apps, and here just look for app which you have hide. And I have hide Chrome. Just tap on it, then tap on open to open it. So in this way you can easily hide your apps in Samsung A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.